Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time. It is time for me to do some maintenance on a Hayabusa. Unfortunately, I don't have my tools with me here in Guam, so I always bring my bike to Cycles Plus and let them do the maintenance on it for me. It's guaranteed. They do great work here, so I don't mind bringing my bike here. But yeah, it's time to tighten up this chain. There's entirely too much slack in that chain. So we're gonna get the chain tightened up, get the bike lubed, get the chain lubed. I don't know, I may have them clean the bike as well because the bike is extremely dirty. Because it's been raining like every day in Guam. And I did ride it the last time in the rain, so it's time for it to get a bath. But anyway, take you guys with me along for the process, so don't go nowhere. So while I wait on my rep, they're gonna go ahead and take the bike back to the back so I can tighten the chain up and get her ready for us. Yeah, if you could go ahead and put a full charge on that battery for me. Yeah, so while I was in the Philippines, I did not connect my bike to the battery tender, so the battery died on me. So I went to get on it this morning, it was completely dead. Had to charge it up for a bit to bring it out here so they can do the maintenance on it. I was gonna have them wash it, but I don't know how long this weather's gonna hold up. I don't wanna pay that much money to get the bike cleaned up and then end up riding it home in the rain. So we're not gonna waste that money. We're gonna go ahead and get the bike chain lubed and tightened. They're gonna do a diagnostic on it to make sure that there's nothing actually wrong with my battery, because my battery tends to drain. I mean, there's no parasitic drain on it. I don't have anything hooked up to it that would cause it to drain the way it drains. And the battery is pretty much brand new. I bought it just over a year ago. Batteries typically last 3 to 5 years. And you can stretch that out a little bit longer if you properly take care of the battery. I don't see a reason why it should be draining the way it does, but it drains out to about 4 days. And they're gonna check it, make sure everything's good to go, and then return the bike to me. It should take about 15, actually no, probably about an hour. I was about to say 15 to 30 minutes, but it'll probably take about an hour. But let me go in here right now because my rep is waiting on me. He just finished with his last customer, and I gotta put you guys on silent because there is copyright music playing in the background. But yeah, let me take care of this and I'll get back to you guys. All right, just like that, we've been taken care of. The Busa is back. I didn't get a chance to record it while he was bringing it in because I was taking care of the payment. All right, Paul.
You have a good one, brother.
All right, you too. Be safe.
Likewise.
The glove. But yeah, if you guys need some work done on the island, this is the only place I'll bring my bike to. I do not go to Yamaha. As a matter of fact, the reason I don't, oh, they even washed it for me too. They didn't charge me, but they washed it. But I do not go to Yamaha because Yamaha actually put my rear tire on backward once. So I definitely do not recommend them. And then the guy asked me if I was sure whether or not the tire was on backward. Yeah, look at the little arrow. The arrow shows you the direction. But anyway, yeah, they didn't really detail it, but they did wash it for me. So knocked a little bit of the dirt off. So we're gonna get geared up, get back on the road, and get this thing back to the house because it's about to freaking dump. Catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, click that post notification bell, turn it to all so that you know when I drop a new video. With that, we're out.
We ready, who?